how to fix Telegram connecting problem. So if you want to fix Telegram connecting problem, then the first thing you need to do is open up your Telegram, and on the top you will see connecting option, right? So if you tap on that connecting, it will access proxy settings, or you can just simply go with your settings, which will be on the bottom, and go with data and storage, and then just scroll down a bit and you will find the proxy settings right here. Tap on it. You'll get this kind of interface if you tap on the connecting section, right? So if you have any proxies, or if you have any connections, if you've added any proxies, you just need to simply go and delete it. Delete the server name and replace it with 142.93.68.63. Now delete the port name and type 2434, and then in the username section you need to type VPN, and under the password section you need to enter your password, which is unlimited. Once done, click on confirm and your problem will be fixed. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and disconnect proxy or just disable and try to download a VPN from Play Store or your App Store. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.